imagine is such an understatement.
But it's always so empty.
Wait, are you sure we're supposed to do this? We've been only together for 2 months now. Well, wait.
What the fuck? What? I thought we were having dinner.
Max, I don't think this is the right time.
I said, I thought we were having dinner.
Max.
Gago ka ba? We planned this dinner 3 weeks ago. Bakit pagkarating ko from school, may pa-party kagad sa bahay? Where the fuck did you even get the money?
Yung friends ko yung okay? Sila yung nagbayad.
And sa bahay natin, kung kailan sana tayo pagdi-dinner, nakalimutan mo na ba na si Tita Lori nagbabayad after her parents died, tas ginagawa niya lang yon kasi siya lang yung kamag-anak nating natitira. Kala ko ba matalino ka? Bakit napaka-bobo mo?
So this is your outcast of a brother, and you wonder why people think you're a rude, uncivilized scum?
And you wonder why people think you're a whore.
Bastos ka! Wait!
Rude works. But I think it's time to solve your issues by yourselves. Though the only resolution I can think of is if your little imp of a brother disappears.
That is what you call a keeper.
You went overboard, Max. Bastos ka!
Ako? Bastos? Sana pala nagpa-party na lang ako when you tell me to control my anger, kuya.
Bakit ba kasi? Ano problema mo?
Di mo ba alam, kuya? Lagi ka na lang nagtatrabaho, wala ka ng time sa amin. Bakit ba?
Alam mo ba kung bakit? You wanna know why? Kasi ever since our parents died, ako na lang parati nagbabayad. Ako nagtatrabaho para sa sitwasyon natin.
Right? You act like you're such a good guy. But I know you're not.
I've
I
been a
know
better person than you, Max. Don't you forget that.
Right. You act like you're the cool, good-looking, popular Adrian who always gets away with everything. But you know why? Ako?
Sabihin mo na lang kasi!
Okay, fine! I'm gay! Hindi ko sa'yo masabi kasi gusto ko makapag-dinner sa'yo, kuya. Pero whatever, right? Wala akong alam, hindi mo na ako kilala. Puta! Save it, kuya! Save it!
gagong to. Gago putang ina pala nito eh. Lagi ko makita doon si Mekano, lagi ko isa lang kasama gago. Nani ka nga dito.
Ayan! After that, word quickly spread out. A mass vigilante was on the streets and he was killing many suspected drug addicts left and right. Yet, people called the assailant a modern superhero. Adrian lost himself for 3 weeks after the news of Matt's death, his only family gone. But yet, despite how difficult it was, he picked himself up. And he wanted the truth. He wanted justice.
Hindi ka sa porket may garbo ng kapatid ko, pinati na siya! Ang bububuno kasi! Nasaan ang ustisya? I want you to find the fucking motherfucker! And I want it now!
Babe, I haven't seen you in forever. I miss you so much, okay? Are you feeling any better now?
I don't think this is the right time.
Of course it is. It's been 2 weeks. I'm pretty sure it takes shorter than that to get over someone like that.
Someone like that? Julia naman!
Yes, someone like that. Can't you see? He was bringing you down. You're perfect, intelligent, handsome. He was a drug addict.
Hindi adik ang kapatid ko! Hindi adik ang kapatid ko! Hindi siya adik! You know what? I think you should go.
No! No! You aren't throwing me out! Can't you see, baby? I love you. I would have put another bullet in that addict's head if it might make you realize that that little devil was killing.
Nasaan kayo Sabado?
Bahay!
Sinungaling ka! Pinuntahan ko kayo sa bahay. Sabi ng yaya mo, pumunta ka daw sa amin. Nasaan ka?
Fine! I was with Marvin, okay? You were too busy worrying about your stupid brother to think of me. You know what? I think it's you. I think deep down you know he was trying to make you lose out on everything. In your own sick, twisted way, you knew he was pulling you down. I think, oh, I know, you're the one who pulled the trigger that day.
Ano ba yan? Bakit ang baho-baho dito? Ano yun? Anong nangyayari dito? Ikaw nga, bumangat ka nga dyan. Hindi kita pinapatala dito para maglupasay lang dyan. Ano ka ba? Kumusta ka na ba? Ano ka ba? Si God, meron yung plano para sa lahat. May plano yan sa nanay at tatay mo. Kahit na dyan sa kapatid mo. Ano, sige, pagtitimla kita ng siya.
Anong klaseng plano ng pagkamatay nila?
Ang kapatid mo, makasalanan siya. Hostisya lang yun.
Anong pinagsasabi mo? Pinatay mo ba ang kapatid ko?
Adrian, makasalanan ang kapatid mo. Makasalanan siya, makasalanan siya, makasalanan siya. Nakita ko siyang may kahalikan na lalaki. Adrian, samahan mo ko. Kailangan natin ipanalangin ng makasalang kaluluwa ni Max.
Anong pinagsasabi mo? Sino yan?
Huwag akong tanungin mo. Ang tanungin mo, yung lalaking kasama niya sa kasalanan niya.
Sino?
Ang anak ng mayor dito.
Sino sinabi?
Huwag kang magkakamaling gumawa ng makakaiba
mo, palagi siyang nakatingin sa atin.
Yeah, dude, she was fucking great in bed, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, we did that. We did that, yeah. Oh, and that, yeah. Yeah, I was so... What?
Master, kung ang pangalan na yun.
I don't know anyone
Talaga?
that name. He wasn't supposed to tell anybody. He was fucking going to ruin me, man. My dad is up for re-election and he was going to tell everybody that I'm fucking gay!
Kaya mo siya pinatay! Dahil duwag ka at ang walap ng tatay mo!
I didn't kill him! I swear I'm not lying!
And you lie about your own sexcapades, huh?
Do you know what it's like here? Being gay is the worst thing you can be next to being a drug addict. I lie about fucking hot girls, okay? I like boys. But you know what? I didn't kill him. Our savior did this.
Sabi! Savior, savior!
You're looking for me?
You've shown yourself.
How naive! We aren't just one person. We are justice. And you, Adrian, killed your own brother. Your own poor and innocent brother who had to suffer because of your own addiction. You are a menace to this society.
Ako!
Adrian! Adrian!